Protractor. Protractor is a semicircular geometric instrument. It has degrees marked on it from 0 to 180. Let us measure the angles made by the hands of a clock with the help of a protractor. This clock shows the time as 3. The long hand of the clock is on 12 and the short hand is on 3. Place the protractor on the short hand of the clock. The horizontal line at the bottom of the protractor must coincide with it. The midpoint of the protractor must rest on the common point where the long and short hands of the clock meet. Read the inner marking of the protractor on which the long hand rests. It is 90 degrees. Therefore, 3 o'clock makes a right angle. This clock shows 20 past 6. The long hand of the clock is on 4 and the short hand is on 6. Place the protractor on the short hand of the clock. Read the inner marking of the protractor on which the long hand rests. It is 60 degrees. Therefore, the time 20 past 6 makes an acute angle. The time is 10 past 9 by this clock. The long hand of the clock is on 2 and the short hand is on 9. Place the protractor on the short hand of the clock. Read the outer marking of the protractor on which the long hand rests. It is 150 degrees. Therefore, the time 10 past 9 makes an obtuse angle. The angles made by the hands of a clock can be worked out without the help of a protractor, because space between any two numbers measures 30 degrees. By this logic, we can measure 3 o'clock as 30 degrees multiplied by 3 is equal to 90 degrees. 20 past 6 as 30 degrees into 2 is equal to 60 degrees. And 10 past 9 as 30 degrees multiplied by 5 is equal to 150 degrees.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.